coming to you in stunning high definition. This is News 4 at 5 on Siouxland's News Channel.
And good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Kristen Johnson. Last month, Sioux City's Mail Processing Center closed for good as operations went north to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Now another Siouxland processing plant is on the chopping block as the U.S. Postal Service looks for ways to save. KTIV's Mark Victoria has more on this mail mess from Studio B. Mark.
Kristen, as Sioux City is adjusting to losing its mail processing center, the USPS is considering on closing the plant in Norfolk, Nebraska. But while nothing has been set in stone, at least one area of business is already preparing for the possible closure. Lloyd's Drug Mart, Norfolk, Nebraska, uses the post office on a daily basis.
We support a lot of Northeast Nebraska patients and customers, and so we do a lot of mail order. In fact, we're doing probably about 30 mail outs every day.
As owner Chris Vincent sends out more than just invoices and letters he receives at his postal substation. He mails out prescriptions as well.
There are not pharmacies that are out, say on a 30-mile radius, so people depend on Lloyd's Drug Mart for their medications.
But a study released by the Postal Service might change all that, as the Norfolk Processing Center could be closed and consolidated with Omaha. Vincent says the move would cause quite a headache.
So typically our customers, they depend on having those to be received the next day. That's the service that they've been provided with, throughout the years, and for them to change, this is going to impact the quality of service that we provide through our pharmacy.
If this processing center here in Norfolk closes, mail would potentially be routed out of Omaha, which is over 100 miles away.
So it seems like it's a little bit overkill having to send our mail all the way to the metro area to have it come back, to Northeast Nebraska.
While the Postal Service says they're losing billions of dollars each year, Vincent thinks the plan is a wrong prescription.
Throughout the years, we've depended on service being next day or through the first-class mail, and I think that's really going to, be a bad thing, I think, for everyone involved. How is the Postal Service going to get better by taking away these jobs?
A closure, this business owner says, could do more harm than good. You'll have your chance to weigh in on the issue. The USPS is holding a public